Welcome back to the channel. Now we have to try to get some knocking noise away from the suspension. This 2000 model Toyota Celica. We ordered some suspension bushings set, front and back. So you just have to. We have some ideas where it could be, so we just have to start. So the first thing is the sway bar bushings that could be making the noise, and then it's the steering rack under the bushings for that one. Looks to maybe not be good, so that's where we're starting. Has sway bar for front and back. Just starting with the front and see. I'm not sure how easy or difficult it is to come under where they are. See, they are completely in here. To get in there I need to move away the whole system. At least I have to open here and get away the linkage bar, or open it down here and get it out. And I have to take off the end of the steering, I think, because I should change the bushings under there at the same time. So it's a lot of things we need to move away. Okay, I have to check my tools. To best maybe to take off on the bottom, but it's easier up here. And then I have to oil up this. To be able to get in here now, I have opened the end steering knuckle part and the arm going down to the stabilization linkage. The arm up to that one is out, so those parts are out. But also things to change the rubbery things in the suspension under here will come in the kit. But to open a bolt in here, a bolt going through here, and 3 bolts under here. Then that A arm is coming out complete. So starting with that. It's not easy to film things here, but I found that under here is a 19 screw going up. The one in here is a 19 bolt going through, and under here I have been up with it on some other cars it's smaller, maybe 17. Yeah, 17. Kind of difficult to see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now I managed to loosen out the bushings on the lower part of the suspension in front of the oldest boys 2000 model Celica. See, these bushings it's rusty all around and things. I try to think about cleaning them up a little first, and then I'm going to dip them in lemon acid and take away all the rust inside and outside before we try to get the rubber out, because the acid is supposed to help loosen up the rubber too. So if I leave it for some hour in very hot acid, yeah, we can look at it. I'm going to try to find something to put it in, but first can try to clean them up. yeah, I have put the parts in lemon acid. I didn't have any better place to put it than the bucket there. Should have had some flat big thing to put it in, but I couldn't find it. So now I just have to try to soften up the rubber and yeah, try to clean off the most of the rust and make this one better, and see if I can get out the old parts and in the new on both sides here, and then we have to work on with the rest of the parts on the car. But now the weather have gone from sunny nice over to rainy again, so it's a little problem working outside. Yeah, just try coming back with a new video and I get a little better time to go on working with this. Just to see I have start working. So please come back, please subscribe to the channel, please look at the other Celica videos and other Toyota videos. There's many videos now, more than 700. So please come back, please put a like, please put some comments. Maybe you have some idea what I should look for. Trying to take out the steering rack and the stabilization parts and put in the things there. Thank you.